Hey, stop scrolling. Ready to turn a simple canvas into a cozy rainy day window? So watch till the end because I'll reveal one secret that instantly make your painting look more realistic. I'm starting with grey base to create the mood of a rainy day. And next I'm adding yellow to create the trees in the background. Now I'm building depth with grey, making the trees stand out naturally. I am using soft blending to make the trees look smooth and realistic. As you can see now I am using black marker to draw the tree trunks and branches. So it's time to add more colors to bring the background to life. Let me share a tip here. If you are a beginner, always try to build your colors in the thin layers instead of using thick paints. It gives you more control and create such a smoother blend. Seriously. In this part, I'm just playing with the colors, experimenting, and you can also do the same. Whatever you are creating, just try to add your own things always. This step will give you confidence. It's time for moving the next part. So here again I am starting with black marker to sketch the raindrops. I must say, for beginners or even experienced artists, markers are the great way to add depth without complicating the painting. Well, I love using markers because they give me more control over the fine line. Here is how the sketch look before adding color. So our outline is ready, time for next color. I am carefully adding white details to each raindrops. While doing this, you need to be very careful. Why? Just pay attention to the video. Once we are done with white, we will go for black and grey. With the white highlight in place, I am adding black and grey shades here. Again, I am saying pay close attention to the balance of light and dark value. This is what make the raindrops look realistic. And here is the secret I promised. Realistic paintings are not about using expensive colors and supplies. They are more about layering colors, balancing light and shadow. And yes, being patient with every step. So here is my painting. Hey, don't forget to rate this painting and please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.